I wanted to welcome everyone here to Wildwood on this beautiful cloudy afternoon. I want to apologize. We are delayed in having this gathering. We have waited 8 years to have an event specifically to say thank you to the community, and that's too long to wait. We need to do this more often. So give yourselves a big hand for all the support that you've given us over the years, which makes this possible. Just need to think of this as an extension of the community and an extension of your home. We are offering tours, mini tours. So if anybody's interested in seeing lodging in particular, or just kind of a walk across campus guided, hang out in the lobby and someone will gather you up and take you to show you some things. Enjoy your afternoon. Thank you all for being here, and we look forward to when you return.